Meet Whiskers, the most curious kitten in the world. Every day he loves to explore new sights, smells, and sounds. Today, something exciting catches his eye, a fluttering butterfly. Uh-oh, Whiskers has wandered too far. The house is nowhere in sight. The trees are tall, the grass is swishy, and Whiskers feels very, very small. Whiskers isn't alone for long. From behind a tree, a fluffy golden puppy appears. He tilts his head and gives Whiskers a big happy smile. Woof! Before long, Whiskers and the puppy are playing together. They chase butterflies, roll in the grass, and even play a game of tag. Meow, says Whiskers. Woof, says the puppy. They don't speak the same language, but they understand one thing: fun. As the sun begins to set, Whiskers suddenly spots something. A chimney, a fence, a door. It's his home. But how will he get back? At last, Whiskers is home. He turns to his new friend with a happy purr. The puppy gives a friendly bark as if to say, "See you soon."